Guess who just got their first PR package ever? That's right, Tizam sent me 2 tote bags to review, and I am so happy and grateful. Bhai, receiving PR has been one of my dreams. Like ever since I started content creating, I feel like I've dreamed of this day. I've dreamt of this day of receiving PR. So basically, I'm actually vlog ta banaitesi because I need to make long form content, and this is exciting. So manush dekhbe. So let's make a video of me unboxing this and making a video. So eta hocche setup, my ring light and my phone with this tripod. It actually ring light. Like a tripod. That was the first one tripod, but I decided to switch it up. I don't like the higher angle, so it just worked out very decent. And this is what I'm filming. I'm gonna shut up now and let you guys enjoy this unboxing ASMR. So tote bag gulo erokom, they're like really big and they have front pockets and like a water bottle holder on both sides, and like it's double lined, so bhitore is a different fabric. I think this is canvas fabric like most tote bags, and like yeah, this is, it even has pockets inside, which is like so super duper handy, and yeah, it's just so durable. আমি এই ব্যাগের ভিতর অনেক essentials and আজারা জিনিস ঢুকাইছি, and it can really carry a lot. So this is the aftermath. It took me like 1 ghonta to make this video. I think it was pretty okay, to be honest. All in all, the tote bag is really good quality, and আমি তো এটা definitely অনেক use করব. And for more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe and check out my socials.